Throughout this course, we have explored the various strategies for strengthening self-control. Today, we're going to focus on a cornerstone of not only self-control, but also the overall well-being, and that is your self-care. Self-care beyond the bubble baths and face masks. Self-care is often associated with indulgent activities like the bubble baths and spa days. While those can certainly be a part of it, self-care is actually much more than pampering yourself. It's about intentionally nurturing your physical, mental, and emotional health to create a sustainable and fulfilling life. If you were a car, self-care would be the regular maintenance you need to keep running smoothly. You wouldn't expect your car to perform at its best without the oil changes, tire rotations, and fuel. Similarly, you can't expect yourself to perform at your best without taking care of your own needs. Self-care and self-control. Self-care and self-control are intrinsically linked. When we neglect our well-being, our willpower weakens and we are more vulnerable to the impulsive behaviors. On the other hand, when we prioritize self-care, we replenish our energy reserves, sharpen our focus, and bolster our resilience, making it easier to resist the temptations and stay on track towards our goals. Investing in yourself, the many facets of self-care. Self-care isn't a concept that works for everyone. It's about finding what nourishes and revitalizes you personally. Here are some key areas to consider. The first key area to consider for personalized self-care is physical self-care. This includes getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and attending to any medical needs. When your body is healthy and well rested, you have more energy and mental clarity to tackle the challenges. The second key area is emotional self-care. Take time to process your emotions, whether it's through journaling, talking to a trusted friend, or seeking professional help. Cultivate positive emotions like gratitude, joy, and contentment through activities that bring you pleasure. Moving ahead, another key area of self-care is the mental self-care. You should engage in activities that challenge and stimulate your mind. This could include reading, learning a new skill, solving puzzles, or having intellectually stimulating conversations. Next, we'll discuss social self-care. Connect with the loved ones, nurture the meaningful relationships, and build supportive community. Social connection is essential for our well-being and can provide a buffer against stress and adversity. Lastly, spiritual self-care is vital. Connect with something larger than yourself, whether it's through religion, nature, meditation, or the creative expression. Nurturing your spiritual side can bring a sense of meaning, purpose, and inner peace. Making self-care a priority, your action plan. Self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And we have some tips for making self-care a non-negotiable part of your life. Prioritize your self-care by scheduling it into your calendar. Block out time in your calendar for self-care activities just as you would work for appointments or social engagements. Establish healthy boundaries. Learn to say no to requests that drain your energy or else don't align with your priorities. Protect your time for self-care. You can start small. If you're new to self-care, start with small, manageable steps. Gradually incorporate more self-care practices into your routine as you build momentum. Always remember to be kind to yourself. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a day or slip up. Self-care is a journey, not a destination. Self-care is not a selfish act. It's actually an investment in your overall well-being. To create a stronger foundation for a fulfilling and meaningful life, you need to prioritize your health. It requires consistent effort and a commitment to prioritizing your well-being, but the rewards are immeasurable. So make self-care a non-negotiable part of your life and watch as it transforms your relationships with yourself and the world around you.